Hi guys, in this video, you will learn how to get this glass user interface on Windows 11. You will learn how to apply the transparency or see-through effect on Windows 11 desktop, start menu, taskbar, and file explorer. To have this glass-like transparency effect on your desktop, file explorer, taskbar, start menu, control panel, and notification center, you will need this awesome tool called Windhawk. This tool allows you to customize various sections of your Windows 11. With the help of this tool, you can install several modes developed by GitHub users. Not only this, but you can also review the source code of each mode if you wish. Make sure to download WinHub from the official website. Once you are done, run it and follow the instructions to install it on your PC. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Open WinHawk. The first thing we will do is to apply the transparency effect on the Windows 11 Start menu. If you can't find the Windows 11 Start menu styler, go to the Explore option and search for it. Once you see it, click on Details. Click here to install it. I have already installed it. That's why I can't see the install or the download button. Once you install it, go to Settings, scroll down and select Windows Glass. Click on Save Settings. I've already done that. I'll go ahead and click on Enable. If you click on the Start menu, you can see the glass-like effect being displayed. That's really great. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to apply the transparency effect on the taskbar. Look for Windows 11 taskbar styler and click on Details. Click here to install it. I've already done that. Once you install it, go to Settings, scroll down and select Windows Glass. Click on Save Settings. I'll go ahead and click on Enable. You can see the taskbar has been changed to the Windows Glass-like effect. Now, the taskbar height and the icons look smaller. I'll go ahead and change the height, width, and the icon size. Click on taskbar height and icon size, then click on Details. Just follow my settings. Set the taskbar height 48, icon size 24, taskbar button width 44, small icon size 24, small taskbar button width 32. Once you are done, click on Save Settings and then click on Enable. You can see the taskbar height and icon size has been changed. That's nice. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to apply the transparency effect on the notification center. Click on Details and install it. Once we install it, go to Settings and scroll down and select Windows Glass. Click on Save Settings. If I click on Notification Center, you can see the transparency glass effect. That's nice. Next up, we are going to make Windows 11 look translucent. For example, if I open Control Panel, you can see the default white interface. We are going to change that. Look for translucent windows and click on Details, then install it. Click on Settings, scroll down and select Maker. And then click on Save Settings. If I open the File Explorer, you can see the translucent effect. Now you can see that the File Explorer has a black thing at the top. We are going to customize that too. Look for Windows 11 File Explorer styler, then click on Details, then install it. Click on Settings, scroll down and select Translucent Explorer 11. Click on Save Settings. If I go back to File Explorer, you can see the transparency effect there. Now you can see this translucent theme on the File Explorer Start menu. taskbar, notification center, the system tray, and on the control panel window. You see the black thing at the search bar on the control panel. Let's fix that now. Go to Windhawk and look for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Go to Settings, change the translucent background effect to Maker and translucent background effects region to entire window and click on Save Settings. Go to Control Panel again and you can see the black thing just vanished. If you are thinking that this Windhawk 2 might slow down your PC, don't worry, it is very low on the system resource consumption. As you can see in the task manager, it is only consuming a few megabytes of memory. Now, if you want to disable the transparency effect, you can go to the system tray, right click on Windhawk icon and select exit. If you want to completely remove it, go to Windhawk and then remove all the tweaks. That's pretty much for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos.